Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. So what do we have in this video? Yet another very important video for learning the basics, and if you are someone who is trying to develop faster speed of calculations, expertise in mental maths, and then want to know the tips and tricks to crack the competitive exams, then the topic of cubes and cube roots is very important. Many of the students, they don't remember the cubes even up to 5 6, and that becomes the problem when you do higher stage questions. So in this video I am going to take up some of the problems which are based on cubes and cube roots, very important for class 7th 8th and subsequent classes, especially for class 8 students, and quant exams obviously it is very important. So friends, before taking up some questions on cubes and cube roots, let me tell you about the Vedic maths course which we have brought out very recently. This is a video course and it contains 61 explanatory videos of some basic topics. Now why we have concentrated and focused so much on the beginner level, that is because the beginner level forms the base of everything. If you are very good in addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division and divisibility, then you will be good in other areas as well. But if you are not good in mental multiplication, mental addition, then it's going to take a while adjusting to the complexities of the other levels of Vedic maths. So that is why we have given 61 explanatory videos. All the concepts and illustrations are there in the video course. 114 worksheets, that too with answer key, have been provided in this video course. And if you want to grab a copy of this particular Vedic maths course, you can send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963. That is the WhatsApp number. If you want to avail the best offers, send me a message now. The WhatsApp number is contained in the description also here. Let's see the questions in hand now. Here we have the first number, a tactical question where we are trying to express a cube number as the sum of odd numbers. Now a very important concept in cubes and cube roots chapter, and you will be really amazed by the beauty of mathematics when I show you this. Somehow the perfect cubes, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, they are related to sum of odd natural numbers. Let me show you how. So if you take only the first odd number 1, it is equal to 1 cube, which is 1 itself, right? If you take next two odd numbers 3 and 5, the sum is 8 and 8 happens to be 2 cube, right? And now can you find a pattern? I ended at 5 here, right? So I will start at 7 now. So if I take 7 plus 8, that is 15, right? 7 plus 8 is 15. I don't want to take 8, right? So let's rub this off. Yeah. So here we have the next odd number, and the odd number is 9. So 7 plus 9 is 16, and 16 plus 11 becomes 27, and 27 is 3 cube. So I have to take all the odd numbers, not the even numbers, as I took 8 here. 7, 9, 11, they add up to 27. Now if you follow this pattern, I'll show you one more, the fourth one. I ended at 11 here, so I'll start at 13. 13 plus 15 is 28. 28 plus 17 is 45. And 45 plus 19 is 64. And what is 64? 64 is 8 square. It is related to square also, and it is 4 cube. So somehow all the sum of odd numbers are related to a cube. Now follow this pattern and I'll give it to you as a DIY. I ended at 19 here, so the 5 cube will start with what? 21, right? 5 cube will start with 21 and take 5 odd numbers, you will know. Okay. Now carrying on with this pattern, try starting with 91, okay, and then take 93 and then take 10 such odd numbers. 10 odd numbers. Add them and check what is the answer. Your result is going to surprise you. You are going to get exactly 1000, which is 10 cube. And that's how you express 10 cube as the sum of odd numbers. Right? So that is the first concept. Next one. Using prime factorization, check whether, we have a comma here, check whether 8575 is a perfect cube or not. See, prime factorization method is the most common method when it comes to checking whether a number is a perfect cube or not. Many such problems, right? So I'll show you how to check whether 8575 is a perfect cube or not. So for that, I'll have to first make factors of 8575. So 8575 is obviously divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 35 means 7, 5, 1, and 25 means 5. So again divisible by 5. This is 5 threes are 15, 21 means 4, and 15 means 3. And now I know 343 is a perfect cube. 343 is actually 7 cube. So after this you are going to get 7, which gets me 49, another 7 which gets me a 7. So 7, 7, 7, 5, 5. These are the prime factors of 8575. 5 times, 5 times, 7 times, 7 times 7. Now how do you check whether this number is a perfect cube or not using these factors? You can see the factor 7 occurs as a triple, whereas the factor 5, it does not form a triple, it occurs only 2 times. And when some of the factors do not occur in triples, then this number 8575 is not a perfect cube. So all the factors have to occur in triples in order to make a perfect cube. If one or many factors are not forming perfect triples, then it is not a cube, right? Let's have some more questions. Here we have a question where we have to use a plus b whole cube equals a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube identity to find the cubes of these 2-digit numbers. So I'm not going to do all of them. I'm just going to demonstrate the method and I'll leave these to you. And obviously all these questions are a part of our entire complete worksheet set of class 8th, which you can procure. And you know my WhatsApp number, right? 9896369963. That's my WhatsApp number on which you can send me a message and I'll tell you how to get all those worksheets, right? Let's see. So which one you want me to do? I'll do maybe 13 first. So if I have to do 13 cube, I'll take this as A and this as B, and I'm going to write these 4 terms. And the terms will be A cube, A square B, AB square, and D cube. These 4 terms. Okay. So A is 1, mind you. So 1 cube is 1. 1 square into 3 is 3. 1 into 3 square is 9. And 3 cube is 27. So what do I have to do after writing these 4 numbers? Because it is 3a square b and 3ab square in the middle 2 terms, I have done only a square b and ab square. So I have to do 2 more times, right? 3 has to be written 2 more times because it occurs as 3a square b. So what will I do? I'll double this 3 and write it below this 6. Double this 9, write it below this 18. And now I'll just add vertically. So 27 means 7, 2 carry. So add 2 here. This becomes 27, 29. 29 means 9, 2 carry. So add 2 here. This becomes 11, 1, 1 carry, and 1 plus 1, 2. And here we have the answer 2197. You can pick up the calculators and check whether 2197 is actually the cube of 13 or not. Right. Let's apply the method to solve one more question. Let's take the last one, E, 32 cube. So if I want to do 32 cube, I will do 3 cube 27, 3 square 9 into 2 18. 3 into 2 square 4 3s are 12 and 2 cube 8. Now double this you get 36, double this you get 24 and put a line, start adding 8, 36 means 6, 3 carry, right? So add 3. This is 36 plus 18, 54 plus 3, 57, 7, 5 carry and 27 plus 5 is 32. So your answer is 32768. That is the cube of 32. Right. This is the identity method. So all the 5 questions are there here. You can do this, this and this yourself and let me know in the comments below whether you got the answer right or not. Right. Let's have this one. So someone is making makes a cuboid, right? There is a cuboid of side 5 into 3 into 3. Now when I write 5 into 3 into 3, it is length into breadth into height. We represent it like that, right? Now how many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? Now we want to form a cube. Remember, whenever there is a cube, the dimensions are, all 3 dimensions are going to be same, right? So here the cuboid has different dimensions. So we have to make triples of the dimensions of the cuboid to convert it into a cube. I hope you understand that. Here the dimensions are different, so it is a cuboid. If all the dimensions become equal, that means length and breadth and height, all 3 are same, then it becomes a cube. And how can we do that? 5 has to form a triple, it has to come 3 times. So 5 should occur how many times? 3 times like this. And 3 already occurs 2 times. I need one more 3 to make it a triple. So what are the extra factors I added? I added 2 5s. 1 5 was already there. 2 3s are already there and 1 3. I have multiplied this by 5 times 3 to convert it into a cube. Now it will become 15 times 15 times 15. See, all 3 dimensions become equal and therefore my answer is the number of cuboids which you need is, what are the extra factors? 5 times 3 and that is 75, which is the answer for the question. Just the understanding part is important. Let's see this one. Find the smallest number by which 11979 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. See, whenever you get such question, where you have to find a number by which you have to multiply a given number or to divide a given number, to make it a perfect cube, always make prime factors and use the concept of triples. Okay, so I'll try to make factors first. 11979. So I think this 9 and 9, it is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 29 means 9. 27 means 9 and 3. Pretty easy. This is divisible by 3. 1 3 3 1. And now it's easy for me because I know that 1331 actually is 11 cube. So I don't need to make any factors. 11 cube, right? So it is going to be 11, 121, 11, 11 and 11, 1. So 11979 is actually the product of these factors. 3 times, 3 times, 11 times, 11 times, 11. Now this already forms a triple. This does not form a triple. So if I eliminate these two, it will become a perfect triple, right? Or a perfect cube. So when you have to divide, you have to eliminate the extra factors which are not making triples. And therefore 11979 divided by what gives you a perfect cube? It will be divided by what? This, right? 3 into 3, 9, and that forms the answer of this particular question. Had the same question been by what I should multiply, then I need an extra 3. So it will be multiplied by 3 to form a perfect cube, right? So all the concepts of cubes and cube roots I think are well covered in this video, and you can share this video with your friends. if they are struggling in this concept of cubes and cube roots, do subscribe the channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications, because if you don't click the bell shaped icon, you will miss out on the future uploads. So thanks for watching this video. Look for more amazing videos for class 8 students and also for quant exams. All the best.